Welcome to GSI's Surgical Instrument Repair Training Program. Section 9, Screw Tightening, Destaining, and Cleaning. Instruments with screws should be inspected for tightness. Loose screws can be observed to not fit securely in the instrument. The screw head will extend above the flat surface. Use the screwdriver to tighten loose screws. When tightening screws, choose the screwdriver head that most closely fits the screw head slot. Lubricate the screw and joint first and work the joint before tightening the screw. This will help to remove any trapped debris. Next, hold the instrument against a solid surface while pushing down and turning the screw clockwise. Destaining and cleaning. It is important to the operation of stainless surgical instruments that they remain free of surface contamination. The process of sterilization can slowly deposit foreign material on stainless instruments, causing them to malfunction. Debris buildup in the box lock can cause stiffness. Surface rust can cause weakness to develop in the metal. To combat foreign contamination, instruments should be periodically scheduled every 3 to 6 months to be destained. It is preferable that the destaining be done in an ultrasonic cleaner. Most surgical instrument repair companies offer these products.